So, Billboard Music Awards happened this week, and of course, there was enough drama mixed with great performances. And yes, the Weeknd did not leave empty-handed.
Okay.
So let's see what made the Intense 5. Justin Bieber's awful dreadlocks have left the building. Thank God, though. The Biebs faced a lot of criticism about his locks when they first debuted, but whether it was the constant criticism or not, the locks are gone. And the buzz cut has returned. Yay!
All right, Biebs. Khaled, Her, and Amigos opened the Billboard Music Awards with their new hit, and it was on fire. Guess where they shot the video, though?
Spice is launching her Go Down the Challenge. Yes, best song ever. And the best of the best will receive cash and prizes. I need to go practice. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, she has been re-signed to Magnum as their brand ambassador. Go Spice.
So what kind of practice you gotta practice? Brad Pitt is over the moon after finally receiving joint custody of the kids he shares with Angelina Jolie. Jolie only wanted him to have supervised visits, but the court says there's no reason.
And finally holding the #1 spot this week, Skillibeng reached Billboard charts with the Crocodile Teeth remix featuring Nicki Minaj. Goddess Skilly! That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.